Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. As we know that user can be logged in into multiple companies at once in Odoo. So this allows the user to access information from different companies but also to create edit records in a multi-company environment. If this is not managed properly, it may be the source of a lot of inconsistencies. For example, a user logged into company A and B could create a sales order in company A and add a product belonging to the company B to it. It is also when the user logs out from company B, then access errors will occur for the sales order. So to correctly manage multi-company behaviors, Odoo ORM provides multiple features. For example, company-dependent fields, multi-company consistency, default functions, and security rules. So we have already discussed about the security rules and default company functions. If you don't know, you can watch our previous video. In this video, we are going to talk about the company-dependent fields. So when a record is available from multiple companies, we must expect that different values will be assigned to a given field depending on the company from which the value is set. For the field of the same record to support several values, it must be defined with the attribute company dependent set to true. For example, in the previous video, we have added a company ID field for the session and the course model, and we have not made it true because there may be some record which may be shared between different companies. So in that case, if we define a field that may have different values for different companies, we need to add a new attribute which is company dependent. So for example, let me just go to the code and add a field with the name company info field.char, and here let me make it company dependent. Okay, equal to true, like this. Sorry. And here let add a string parameter which should be company info, and let me add this field to the view. So this is for the course model, so we need to add it for the course. Let me add it here like this. Restart Odoo service and then upgrade the module. The module has been updated. Let me go here and let me see. So as this record is, so let me just assign it to multi companies. For example, this record. So let me remove it, the multi company, and set it without the company. So this record will be visible to multi companies. So for example, if I want to set a different value here, so for example, currently it is Chicago. So if I set company Chicago, okay, and if the spelling is correct, so let me just save it. Okay, and now if I change the company to San Francisco, so you can see that this field value will be removed. Okay, and then I can set here a company San Francisco like this and save it. Okay, so this is company dependent field. So if I change the company, the value is also changing. So it will show you the value that is specific to the company. So this is how you can manage a field with multiple values that are specific to the company in case if the record is shareable between different companies. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.